Okay, I just saw something I want to just show you, bring to your attention. Show you exactly how much grip that weld got. See if we can zoom in on this. It's like zero penetration into the crank itself. See that? It just caught, like, melted into the top of the crank, but it enough to hold it, that's for sure. You saw how it popped apart, but not a whole lot of penetration there, which is a good thing. So I think I could save this crank. And also, I found that this top edge of that weld is a little sharp. It gets you. I saw a post by a friend / customer of mine, Bill Fergus. I think maybe you all heard of him, but he posted something the other day showing a busted knuckle. And yeah, I stepped back and looked at my hands and realized, you know, the years of abuse, especially thumbnails. And probably a story behind every scar on them hands. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to show you that weld and how it didn't quite penetrate. If I see anything else, I'll post it, but I think that's about it on this crankshaft. And we'll see if it goes together good.